Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A couple of weeks ago, somebody sent me this, and every time they pick on a color, it comes up with this palette editor. So I don't have anything selected. I'm going to go over here, and it's going to come up with the palette editor because I don't have anything selected. Corel's asking you what you want to do. Now, if you left click, you'll come up with a graphic, and you can change your default. So with something selected, I don't care what it is you have selected. See, I've changed mine to blue, and I'm going to change that back. I'll click on the red, I get red. I click on this, I've got this one selected, I'm going to pick red. So left click, well, sometimes it's going to do both. I have something selected. There we want graphic editor, and I want, well, why didn't that? It should come up with, well, it's just, I put it on blue. So I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna go no fill. No, I did the outline. I'm gonna pick that and go, I'm gonna left click this time, but I had something selected, so I'm gonna select that again. And then it comes up with this, I want graphic, and I don't want any fill. But I messed that up because now I want a fill, so I could click on that and right click, and I want red. And also on me, I'd want to hit F12 and make sure it's a hairline, and it is. So now every time I draw a circle, I'm going to get a red hairline. But if I left click on the color, I get the color. If I don't have anything selected and I double click on that, I'm going to get the palette editor. Anyway, so it's either when you get this, have something selected. Anyway, I helped that gentleman already, but maybe somebody will have that trouble in the future, and hope that helped.